Kickstarter, you might remember us from when we created a new way to brew coffee with the Delter coffee press. Well, we're back again with another coffee brewing discovery. Up until now, cold drip coffee has had one major problem. This. Brewing cold drip coffee with a valve usually results in a frustrating process. The accepted standard is 1 drip per second. However, to actually achieve this, you need to constantly check and readjust the valve as the water level changes. This results in inconsistent flavour and poor extraction. But not anymore. The Delter Cold Drip, the first valveless design, making delicious coffee every time with no effort at all. After years of testing other cold drip coffee makers, we noticed there was always a problem of pressure changes as the water level drops. This means your VFR, or valve flow rate, will slow down or even stop entirely. Basic science, really. Some designers have come up with complicated ways to solve this, but these always result in more parts and more costs. Our team decided there has to be a better way, and there was. We invented a unique multi-layered drip tray that has pin-sized holes that will drain automatically 1 drip per second, creating nice strong coffee without any compromises. Each tray is made with BPA-free material and is designed to be shallow, which means minimal pressure loss occurs. The trays all drip simultaneously, ensuring the drip rate over the coffee remains consistent right up until the last tray drains out. The glass pitcher is made from high-quality borosilicate, which keeps the coffee fresh and lasts a lifetime. We've also included a stainless steel mesh filter, so you don't need to worry about wasting paper filters and harming the environment. Cold drip coffee has a low acidity and is a great way to enjoy your coffee without the harsh bitter taste. And it is kinder on your stomach while still giving you a good caffeine hit with smooth taste. To brew with the Delter Cold Drip, you only need freshly roasted beans, ground coarsely, and freshly filtered water. The water can be room temperature or cold. Add 50 grams of coffee to the coffee basket. If you don't have a scale, just fill to the line marking shown. Pre-wet the coffee by gently pouring just enough water to saturate the grounds. Next, add the first tray and fill the water to the 200ml line. Repeat the process for the next 2 trays. Finally, place it on the lid. You can either leave it on the bench or you can put it in the door of the fridge. Just set and forget. Sit back and enjoy better tasting coffee and better consistency. Your brew will take around 3 to 4 hours to complete, and your drip rate will average 1 drip per second without any effort required. When you're done, just give the coffee a stir, and now you're ready to enjoy cafe quality cold drip any way you like it. No more waiting around in cafe queues. Now you can have a great coffee at home or at the office. But don't take our word for it. Let's see what others have to say. We've already invested in our product with fully working prototypes, and our production tooling is already underway. We're 100% committed to making sure this product makes it to your homes and cafes. By supporting us, our very first production will reach you a whole lot sooner. Thanks, Kickstarter.
I work as a cameraman, and wearing face masks has always been a part of my job. Finally, I realized there is no universal mask that you could always keep in your bag just in case. The mask that protects you from dust, pollution, bacteria, and still is easy to breathe in. Introducing Breeze. Based on years of personal experience, we created Breeze to be the only mask you need, comfortable and versatile. Breeze is equipped with pure 24-karat gold and silver-plated bactericide filters. Paired with dust filters, they stop over 99% of pollution and bacteria. It's been known for centuries that silver is lethal for microbes, and our team of chemists and engineers took it to the next level. We added gold to trigger a galvanic reaction. This significantly enhanced silver's antibacterial properties. What's more, Breeze is made from a special cooling material. Sprinkle it with water and it'll keep your face cool in the summer heat. We thought about every detail, including windproof valves, pressure-relieving adjustable straps, and an ergonomic nose arch. Most masks protect just you, but Breeze filters your own breath in case you worry about your family and friends. It's washable and will work for many years to come. Any face mask is a restraint, but we are living in the new reality. Therefore, Breeze is designed to provide better protection and maximum comfort, especially on the go. Please support our campaign. These days, we all need to be prepared and stay safe.
Oh look, what a strange device with a sleeping dolphin inside. Meet Flipper Zero. At first sight, it looks like a cute Tamagotchi, but actually, it's a multi-tool for hackers. Flipper can handle various radio protocols, access control systems, and directly interact with hardware. Flipper has its own personality. It grows while you hack stuff around and gets angry when you don't. Built-in sub-1 GHz module can both transmit and receive signals on most IoT frequencies. It can control lots of wireless devices, like garage doors and barriers, radio switches, and even more. For detecting unknown remotes, Flipper has a signal scanner that can analyze and save signals. Flipper Zero supports RFID and iButton tags. No more need to keep all your office and building keys. Flipper can store hundreds of RFID cards and contact keys in its memory. Just select one you need from the menu to emulate it. Flipper also helps to protect your ass, acting as U2F security token for two-factor authentication. It works with any U2F-enabled services like Gmail, Dropbox, Facebook, and others. Tired of boring stuff on public TVs? Well, now you can fix it. With an infrared eye, Flipper can simulate any infrared remote. Built-in library of popular brands remotes gives you instant control of any situation. Since Flipper's brain is open source, you can write your own plugins with full access to built-in hardware. Just use your favorite environment, such as Arduino IDE or VS Code. No drivers required on all platforms. To give you even more power, Flipper has programmable GPIO pins, so you can connect it directly to any hardware, as well as extend it with modules. Flipper can act as a virtual keyboard device to do some fun stuff. You could write your own payloads and then play them on a target computer. Well, we don't need to explain what you can do with this feature. And of course, Flipper Zero has its own revolutionary blockchain platform. And we call it Flipcoin. Just kidding. Flipper is for real. No bullshit in this project. In its core, Flipper Zero is a versatile tool for everyday hacking on the go and learning new stuff along with your cyber friend that will never let you down.